So I'm Bob Truog. I'm a professor at Harvard Medical School, where I direct the Center for Bioethics, and I've also been a practicing physician in the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit at Boston Children's Hospital for over 30 years. And I came to talk about both medical and philosophical aspects of how we define death, and how that then affects our practices of organ transplantation and some of the problems that we encounter with that and possible solutions to that. I think the thing that I would say to medical students is that one of the things that's made my career just so much fun for me is being able to engage in the practice of medicine, which is a privilege like none other, and at the same time develop my interests in ethics and philosophy, and then bring those two things together. And so I might say to somebody who's starting out on this field, you know, for many people, just doing the practice of medicine is a fabulous career. But be open to the idea of enriching it with other interests, other disciplines that may be able to feed back on medicine and really increase the vitality of what it means to be a doctor.